Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I will let me show to you the way how to remove stickers from TikTok application. So the first thing we have to do is just go open the TikTok application. And after we open it, sometimes we will be bring into the home sections, right? But then we have like a lot of sections down part here. So we just need to visit the profile. There will be like a lot of sections too in the profile. You can see like down part after your bio, there will be several sections down part here, and there will be likes collections. This one is the content that you've been liked. This one is content that you repost. This is your private content. This is the content that you post for public, and the stickers will belongs here. So you just need to go click this part. And to remove the stickers, you just need to click the stickers that you want to remove, and they will be bring you into the several options. And then you just need to go click delete and confirm that you want to delete the sticker, and the sticker will be removed. That is the way how to remove sticker on a TikTok application. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.